Welcome back to my channel Techno Trend Zone. Today we're diving into the latest updates on the highly anticipated DJI Mavic 4 Pro. The leaks have been non-stop, and the buzz is growing louder as we approach the big reveal. If you're a drone enthusiast or just a fan of top-tier tech, this one's for you. DJI Mavic 4 Pro leaks. What's new? Alright, you've probably seen the DJI Mavic 4 Pro leaks all over the internet by now, right? Boxes appearing, prices gradually creeping higher, and DJI not exactly being subtle about what's coming. May 13th is expected to be the big reveal, and we're sure to get even more leaks in the coming days. So, let's break down the most recent details that have surfaced. First up, Jasper Ellens over at Drone XL has been sharing some pretty exciting updates. One of the most talked about features is the electronic ND filters for the Mavic 4 Pro. These were initially rumored to be delayed or scrapped entirely, but it seems like they are still on track. Due to some minor technical glitches, the filters will likely be available later in May. While it's a bit of a delay, it's great news for creators looking to enhance their video quality. Originally meant for the creator combo, these filters will also be available for regular Mavic 4 Pro users. The price will hover around $220, which might be a bit steep for some, but if you're serious about professional-level footage with precision control over exposure, these ND filters will be well worth it. Moving on to another DJI Mavic 4 Pro feature that's causing quite a stir, the power button. Guess what? There isn't one. Instead, you simply flip out the right front arm to power it on. That's it. No more struggling with tiny buttons or pressing them multiple times. This new flip-to-fly feature is a sleek and practical design change that simplifies the overall experience. DJI is clearly focusing on making the Mavic 4 Pro as user-friendly and intuitive as possible. But wait, there's more. The RC Pro 2 has a new trick up its sleeve. We've seen it before, but I missed one cool feature. The 7-inch screen now flips vertically, allowing it to go into portrait mode. This is a game changer for creators who focus on vertical videos. Whether you're filming for TikTok, Instagram Reels, or YouTube Shorts, DJI has you covered. Your drone can shoot in vertical mode, and now your controller can do the same. This is a feature that streamlines the entire process and makes DJI's gear even more versatile for content creators. The excitement doesn't stop there. Over the past few days, Igor Bogdanov shared a video showing what appears to be the Mavic 4 Pro going through its final testing phases. And in the same video, we got a glimpse of the creator combo, which includes the RC Pro 2, a carry case, and 3 intelligent batteries. It's a pretty sweet setup for those looking to take their drone experience to the next level. What's more, there's another drone in the background that looks like it could be from the Mini 5 series. We're not sure yet whether it's the Mini 5 or the Mini 5 Pro, but seeing it in action means it's just around the corner. With all these exciting updates, it's clear that DJI is coming out swinging this year. The Mavic 4 Pro is shaping up to be an incredible drone, packed with features that will appeal to both hobbyists and professionals alike. From the electronic ND filters to the flip-to-fly function, DJI is pushing the envelope in terms of convenience and performance. And with new drones like the Mini 5 on the horizon, it looks like DJI is ready to dominate the drone market even further. DJI's 2025 lineup is looking to be one for the books. The Mavic 4 Pro is getting all the attention right now, but with all these exciting accessories and new product releases, DJI is making sure there's something for everyone. Whether you're an experienced filmmaker, a casual drone flyer, or someone who loves the thrill of the latest tech gadgets, DJI is covering all your needs. As always, we'll keep you posted on all the latest leaks, rumors, and product launches. That's all for today's video. Stay tuned for more updates on the DJI Mavic 4 Pro and other exciting drone releases. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for all the latest news, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace.